Master English for Coffee Shops. 100 Essential Phrases for Everyday Conversations. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to boost your English skills and feel more confident during your next visit to a coffee shop, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 100 essential phrases for everyday conversations in coffee shops. These phrases will help you order your favorite drinks, interact with the staff, and even make small talk with other customers. So, grab a cup of your favorite coffee or tea, and let's dive in. Can I get a menu, please? Use this to politely ask for a menu in a cafe or restaurant. I'd like to order a coffee. This is how you tell the staff that you are ready to order coffee. What kinds of tea do you have? Ask this if you want to know the different types of tea available. Could I see the dessert menu? Use this phrase when you want to look at the dessert options. Can I have a glass of water, please? A polite way to ask for some water. Is this seat taken? Ask this before sitting down to make sure the seat is not already reserved or occupied. I'll have a cappuccino, please. This is how you order a cappuccino specifically. Could I get this to go? Use when you want your order packaged to take out of the cafe. Do you offer any vegan options? Ask this if you need to know about vegan food choices. What's the soup of the day? This question asks about the special soup offered on that particular day. Could I have some extra napkins? Ask for more napkins if you need them. Do you have free Wi-Fi? Inquires whether the cafe offers free internet access. What's the Wi-Fi password? Once you know there's Wi-Fi, use this to ask for the password. Can I have a table by the window? Request this if you prefer a table with a view or more light. I'd like to make a reservation for 2. Use this to book a table for 2 people. Can I pay by card? This question is to check if the cafe accepts card payments. Could I have the check, please? Ask for the bill to pay for your meal. Is service included? Inquire if a service charge is already added to your bill. Can I have a slice of cake? Use this to order a slice of cake. Do you have any gluten-free options? Important for those avoiding gluten to ask this. I'd like a table for 3, please. Use this to reserve a table for 3 people. Can I order a takeaway? Ask if you can have your food packed to take away. What are your opening hours? This question is to find out when the cafe is open. Is the tip included? Important to ask to know if you should leave extra money as a tip. I need a few more minutes to decide. Tell this to the server if you are not ready to order yet. Can you recommend a good coffee? Ask the server to suggest a popular or their favorite coffee. I'd like my coffee black. Specifies that you want your coffee without milk or cream. Could I have some sugar? Ask this if you need sugar added to your beverage. I'd like some milk in my tea. Indicates that you want milk added to your tea. Can I have a refill, please? Ask this if you want more of your drink, if refills are offered. I'm allergic to nuts. Does this contain nuts? Important for nut allergy sufferers to ask. 32. Can you make it less spicy? Request to reduce the spiciness of the dish. That's all for now. Thank you. Use this to indicate that you are finished ordering. Could you heat this up for me? Ask this if you want your food warmed up. I'd like to cancel my order. Use this if you need to cancel your order for any reason. Can you bring me some ketchup? Request ketchup if it's not already provided on the table. Do you have any specials today? Inquires about any special dishes or deals for the day. I'd like to order the daily special. Use this to order the special meal of the day. What is included in the breakfast combo? Ask to know what items are included in a breakfast deal. Can I substitute the fries for a salad? Request to replace fries with a salad in your order. Do you offer a children's menu? Useful to ask if you are dining with children. I'd like this cooked medium rare. Specifies how you'd like your meat cooked. Can I have some lemon for my water? Request lemon slices to add to your water. What kind of milk alternatives do you have? Useful for those who prefer non-dairy milk. Can I have a decaf coffee? To order coffee without caffeine. Do you have any herbal teas? Useful for those preferring caffeine-free tea options. Can you recommend a dessert? Ask the server to suggest a popular dessert. I'd like to order some snacks. use this to order small bites or appetizers. Is this dish spicy? Important to ask if you're sensitive to spicy food. Can you bring the food all together? Request that all your food is served at the same time. Can we get some extra plates? Useful when sharing food with others. Could you wrap this up for me? Ask to have your leftovers packed to take home. I'd like to split this dish. Indicates you want to share your dish with another person. Could I get some ice? Ask for ice, possibly for your drink. What's the best seller? Inquire about the most popular item on the menu. I have a coupon. How do I use it? Ask how to apply a discount from a coupon you have. Can we sit outside? Request seating in an outdoor area, if available. Do you have a loyalty program? Useful to know if the cafe rewards frequent visitors. How long is the wait? Ask about waiting time, especially if the cafe is busy. Can I change my order? Use this if you need to modify your order after placing it. I'd like to speak to the manager. Request to speak with the manager for any serious concerns. Can you help me with the menu? Ask for assistance if you find the menu confusing. I'm looking for something light. Use this when you want a meal that isn't too heavy. What's your favorite item on the menu? A casual way to get recommendations from the staff. Do you offer delivery? Useful to know if you want the food delivered to your location. I think there's a mistake in the bill. Use this if there seems to be an error in your check. Can I add this to my order? Ask to include an additional item to your existing order. Could you please hurry? I'm in a rush. Politely ask for expedited service. I'd like to pay separately. Indicates that each person in your group wants to pay their own part. Can I have a pitcher of water for the table? Ask for a larger amount of water for everyone at the table. Do you have any non-dairy creamer? For those who prefer or need non-dairy options. Can I get some extra dressing on the side? Request more sauce or dressing, served separately. What's the quietest time to come? Ask when the cafe is less crowded. Do you have a high chair for a child? Important if you need seating for a small child. I think my order is wrong. Use this if your order did not come out as expected. Can I have some more coffee beans? Ask for additional coffee beans, perhaps for purchase. What's the most popular drink here? Inquire about the cafe's signature or most popular drink. Can you make it stronger? Request a stronger flavor or higher concentration of coffee or tea. I'd like to keep the receipt. Request to retain your receipt for personal record or reimbursement. Can we have some privacy? Ask for a more secluded or private area within the cafe. Do you have any board games? Inquire if the cafe offers board games for customers to play. What's your return policy on merchandise? Useful to know if you buy something like mugs for beans. Can I have a larger cup? Ask for a bigger size for your drink. Do you have seasonal specials? Ask if the cafe offers seasonal or limited time menu items. What's the least expensive item on the menu? Useful if you're on a budget or looking for a cheaper option. Can you provide a list of ingredients? Request information about what ingredients are in a particular dish. I'd like to compliment the chef. Express appreciation for the food to the chef. Can you adjust the temperature here? Ask to change the temperature if it's too hot or cold. Do you have any low-fat options? Useful for those looking for healthier menu choices. Can I have a shot of espresso in that? Request to add a shot of espresso to your drink. Could I get a side of toast with that? Ask to add toast as a side to your order. Do you have any promotions running? Inquire if there are any current deals or promotions. What's the password for the Wi-Fi again? Ask for the Wi-Fi password if you forget it. Do you serve brunch? Ask if the cafe offers brunch items during certain hours. Can I have a plastic bag? Request a plastic bag if you have items to take away. Can I have some water for my dog? Ask for a bowl of water for your dog if you're dining with them. Do you have a smoking area? Inquire if there is a designated area for smoking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these phrases help you feel more at ease and confident the next time you step into a coffee shop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us bring more useful content to you. So, keep practicing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.